All right, here's a couple more problems. These ones are going to work slightly different, okay? So I know we haven't gone over this yet, and it is carrying, by the way. But I'd like you to try both of these out. I'm going to give you a couple minutes to do it, okay? Take a couple minutes, try these on your own, and then we'll go over them together, okay? So starting with 566 plus 14. So we'll just write these out in their place values, right? A 5 in the hundreds, 6 in the tens, and a 6 in the ones, plus our 14 there. So that's only a 1 in the tens and a 4 in the ones there. And yeah, we are adding these. So let's focus on these one at a time. Same as the last couple, right? So I'd say, okay, let's start with 6 plus 4 there. This is in the ones place value. Of course, we always start to the right. The place value farthest to the right. It should be the ones. Well, 6 plus 4, the thing about 6 plus 4 is it's 10. And I did say that we're going to see some carrying. This is carrying, so you could write this out as 10 if you'd like. But what happens is we got this 1 from the 10 that is 6 plus 4. And generally speaking, in terms of arithmetic, what we'll do is we'll carry that above the other 10s in the tens place value, right? Which is this green one right here. Okay, now what I end up with is I've got 3 numbers in the tens place value that I need to add together. So I'd say, okay, 1 and 6, 1 plus 6 there. If you're using your fingers, you'd say, oh, I got 7. And then another finger, boom, that's going to give you 8. So 1 plus 6 plus 1 is 8. Right? Now, there was nothing to carry into the hundreds place value, so that 5 is just going to drop as a 5 right there, which means our final sum is 580 here. Now, it's not likely that you should have to carry more than 1 unless we start adding more than 2 numbers together, which is why in our basic math facts, we only have you go up to 9, because, right, 9 plus 9 is 18, which means you could be carrying 1s, but like we're going to see in some future examples here in a moment, once you start adding extra numbers, like if I added 3 numbers together, it is possible you can get other numbers than just 1 that you need to carry. Well, we'll definitely see more carrying with, or bigger numbers carried when we look at multiplication, but for now, just addition. All right, so here, 9,416 plus 91. So once again, let's write this out in its place values. 9,416. 9 in the thousands place value, 4 in the hundreds, 1 in the tens, 6 in the ones. Now we got a 91. It's only a 2-digit number, so that's a 9 in the tens place value and a 1 in the ones place value. And yeah, we are adding these. So again, focus on one place value at a time. I got 6 plus 1 here, which is 7. 6 plus 1 is another finger. Boom, I got 7 fingers up. I know you can't see the fingers, but they are. And then in the tens place value, that's next. I got 1 plus 9. So 1 plus 9, boom, I got all 10 fingers up. So that's a 10. Now that means that I have 0 left in the tens place value because they all became hundreds. And then that's 100. Which then I need to combine with this 4 right here. Again, in the hundreds place value, 1 plus 4 is 5 there. That's a 5 in the hundreds place value. And then, of course, the 9 just drops, which makes this 9,507. I put the comma in there again. But once again, I don't believe that's required on the homework that you have to have the comma. You can write this 9507, just type it in like that, and it should give you full credit.